Hi, this is the IBM Correcting Selectric 3, the workhorse of the office. These things are pretty bulletproof. I'm going to give you a little demo here. All the lights light up there. Keyboard's in really nice shape. It does function. Tab. Let's see if I have to return. Tab must not be set. So, I can go capital letters. So it works pretty good. Seems to be all on shape. I'm not 100% sure. Let's pull the paper out here. There are some little tabs here. I'm not sure if there's supposed to be anything that hooks to those. I don't have it to hold the paper up or not. Pop the lid open here. Give you a quick look under the hood. Ribbon seems to be working, so it's not all dried out. There's the ball. And then there is a correcting tape in there, but I couldn't seem to get that to work, so not 100% sure how that functions. There's the little light on the side. Lights everything up. Pretty nice shape, and there you go. Thanks for looking.